Did you know, behind the calm seas of Makassar, there's a road that never sleeps? Yep, the highway of Iron Giant at the Port of Makassar. From factory standards to fully customized glowing up tracks. We've got them all here. For the next few minutes, we're diving into the hype and craziness of the port. Today, don't skip this. Alright, so that's a wrap on our look at these massive rigs moving around the port of Makassar today. To all the drivers out there, stay safe and a road remember, your family is waiting for you at home. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss our next roadside adventure. See you in the next road.